In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert MS Word document into PDF. Please do not send your document in MS Word form. It changes. For example, I am working in 2016. For example, other people working in 2013 or 2010. So it changed everything. For example, if you send in MS Word document to somebody, and if they see the changes, the things, they're surprised that what happened to you. So please send in PDF when you are sending in application, everything. So for example, you prepare a document in MS Word and how to convert this into PDF. Sometimes people do this online, convert it online. No, just go to file here and go to save as. Any place you want to save is, I want to save here. In this save as type, click on this. So you will see a lot of information here, and I am interested in PDF here, you see. So I think in 2010 this option is not available, but please use higher version of Microsoft Office 2016. If 2016 is available, why do you use 2013 or 2010? In 13 this option is also available, but please do not use 2007 and 2010. Use the higher latest version, because the highest version have more features. Okay, when I select this one, look now here, these have option also, because you want to convert all pages. Yes, all pages. Okay, so save, and there is already there, so so go to save as here, select PDF, and here the option is there, all pages. I want all pages. Just give the name here. We want to just write test here, and yes, and I just want the PDF to open after publishing. After publishing here, open this. Just replacing this. It's open now. Here you see here. So now this is the PDF here, and nobody can change this any place, anywhere. So now you can easily send this to for a job or anything PDF. And there is another good thing here. If you want to just convert one page, this is very interesting from your thesis. So just click here PDF and go to option here and just say current page. Our page is prom and prom. It's up to you. Just convert the current page. You see here, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. First page. It's only one page here. You see here, no second page. So very interesting. So please use higher version of MS Word and convert your documents before sending to your professor, sending for a job or a PhD admission, everything. Do not send documents in MS Word. If and only if your supervisor need this in MS Word form, just send if they request you. Otherwise, do not send documents in MS Word form. Thanks for watching.